If you're feeling healthy this morning, because so many people are not, too many sick calls, not enough teachers or school bus drivers. It's not just an isolated problem. I'm talking about a problem all over Central Texas. Good morning. I'm Sally Hernandez.
And I'm Nabil Ramadna. It's all tied to the winter COVID surge, and now parents are having to make a last-minute adjustment to get their kids to school.
Yeah, it's a nightmare. The Hutto Rahman found Austin ISD staffing shortage has not affected their buses yet, but there are other challenges.
Our daughter had texted us and called us to let us know the bus wasn't there.
The Plummer family hadn't seen this email from Leander ISD saying buses would be delayed due to a staffing shortage.
I think it came literally at 7:02 a.m. and our daughter walks out the door to the bus at 7:10.
Leander ISD says 26 drivers said they couldn't work Monday morning and that it's reasonable to think COVID had an impact. Hutto ISD has canceled all regular bus routes until further notice due to COVID-19 staffing shortages, and Lockhart ISD will be down 5 bus routes starting Tuesday. Austin ISD tells us all their bus routes are covered, but Monday they reported 479 teachers were absent.
We're also seeing extracurricular activities, field trips, sports events, and other things kind of curtailed as well due to the staffing shortage.
Zafar Chaudhry says he and his kids are always worried about the next pandemic impact.
A few days ago, my son had a bit of a scare when one of his friends was tested positive for the COVID, and they had to disinfect the school.
Plummer says although Leander ISD sent this email to expect more bus delays Tuesday, his family is making plans for the week.
We're actually now coordinating with friends who are neighbors on who's going to take kids to school and bring them home from school.
Tahira Rahman, KXAN News.
Person for Leander ISD tells us it's hard to anticipate how many days with the delays will be in effect. That representative goes on to say there is an obvious correlation between the surge in community spread of COVID-19 and the number of school transportation staff available to drive. They added that they are hopeful that as the cases begin to fall off, it will lessen the strain on their staff.
Well, Austin ISD officials are reporting nearly 1,300 new COVID cases within the last week. 780 students, 504 employees, all testing positive. That is the biggest surge the district has seen since the start of the school year, and it accounts for more than a third of all cases.